Good morning guys. In the earlier classes we have learnt about the basics of the volumes and surface areas. Now we will be starting with the most important topic, that is frustum of the cone. Let us begin the topic. If a right circular cone is cut off by a plane parallel to its base, then the portion of the cone between the cutting plane and the base of the cone is called a frustum of cone. Now let us understand the definition through figure. This is the right circular cone. This is the base AB. Cutting plane A dash B dash, and this is the height, and this is center of the flat surface. Now when a cutting plane cut off the plane surface parallel to its base, the portion of the cone between the cutting plane and the base of the cone is called frustum of cone. When the cutting plane cuts the cone is divided into two figures. This is first part and this one is second part. Here second part is the portion of the cone between the cutting plane and base of the cone, and this is called frustum of the cone. Now this is slant height of the frustum of cone, and this is the height. Frustum of cone has two bases, one smaller and one is bigger. This is height. Remember guys, height of the frustum will be always perpendicular to the bases. A dash B dash and AB. Now let us define the height. The height or thickness of a frustum of a right circular cone is perpendicular distance between its two circular bases. Now let us define the slant height. As I shown L in the diagram, this is the slant height, whereas H is the height of the frustum. Now let us discuss about the formulas of frustum. Before this, let us discuss the shapes of the frustum in our daily life. In daily life, we have come across shapes of frustums like pots, tumblers, tumbler glasses, that is we used to drink water, and vessels used for cooking food. Now let us discuss the formulas related to frustum of cone. Volume of frustum 1/3 pi h r1 square plus r1 r2 plus r2 square. Second one is curved surface area of frustum. That is pi into r1 plus r2 into L. Here L is slant height of frustum, where L is equal to root of r1 minus r2 whole square plus h square. Slant height. Next one is total surface area of frustum. TSA of frustum, that is equal to pi into r1 plus r2 into L plus pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. These are the three formulas that are related to frustum, and the important thing that is to be noted is there are, as I said, there are two bases for the frustum. In this, r1 is taken as base radius of larger and r2 is taken as smaller base radius. Please remember this. This is very important to be noted, and it is always mandatory to remember r1 is greater than r2. In the next class, we will be discussing the problems related to frustum of the cone. Thank you for watching the video.